Hi guys, I know you can't see, but I promise I'm smiling. Thank you for tuning in to this week's Mirror Crush Monday. I'm here at the factory today in Everett, Washington. We wanted to take this opportunity to really thank our employees here at our factory. We've been open this entire time during COVID. We are considered an essential business, and our manufacturing really hasn't skipped a beat.
Hey guys, I'm here in our shipping department. Our shipping team has been working absolutely tirelessly to make sure that you guys get everything delivered on time. We love seeing all these crates being picked up every day. That means you're getting your product delivered, your owners are getting their product delivered, and it just makes my heart happy because that just means the rest of the world is starting to open back up and we can get back to normal. So we're excited to see you all soon and hope you guys are all staying safe. We'll see you later.